grinding really deep, it grinds it until it's pulverized. You can put this stuff right back into an asphalt machine and re-emulsify it, which means add more liquid to it, and boom, it can go right back down.
This cold planer is a top center pivot design equipped with skids and wheels to meet certain bed specs. It has a motor planetary gearbox driveline system. It allows more torque than any direct drive unit available out there. It's supported on the opposite side with a 2.5-inch bearing. That allows even down pressure and gives support against it. It has a set of rear cylinders that act as depth cylinders. It's much more advantageous to have independent cylinders acting on the skids or the depth shoes in order to hold the tilt cut. So when you want to cut 1 inch over here and 0 over here, you can hold that with that cylinder with the down pressure, and it allows you to see that with the 2 indicators. We have a unique drum pattern here with the FFC planer. It's a V drum design to give you an easier cut. There's less horsepower per tooth in order to operate this drum pattern so it won't jump, and it gives you a smoother cut. All of our planers at FFC are pre-designed and pre-fitted with holes in order to incorporate a water kit. This is also operated electro-hydraulically, which allows you to operate the tilt, depth, and side shift from inside the cab. We also offer a hose support system that keeps the hoses up and out of the way so they don't get pinched. The 3-line system, there's pressure, there's return, and there's K-strain. K-strain hose being the most important hose on the planer itself. The electrical box is operated very simply. You have your tilt rotation, you have your side shift, and you have your depth.